We're at the shooting range. Gonna pop some bears. They're not expanding. Zombie apocalypse.
He's coming up.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
What are we doing? Shooting some bears.
Low key and staying candid, reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Find a comfort in the zones, the clouds of bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine, spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came, rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind, thin is the air I breathe. Teary-eyed nose running, wipe the snot on my sleeve. I'm calling on the Savior to be all that I need. Please forgive me, my behavior had me lost in light speed.
Losing the feelings of what you thought love was, like the dirt still up under the rug.
My life be like
bad characteristics covered in Christ's blood. The joy of new birth and the pain of growing up. The bliss between giving my all and giving up. The highs and lows, paths and roads I chose in the cold I froze. Trying to ease my woes in this world of sin. Clothes too thin to fit, so the God I send words of help to win. And grumbling so deep letters could never express. So the sounds of ooh ah beneath my breath.
times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, hard feelings I need, more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do. Yeah.
My life be like ooh ah ooh, dum dum ditty. Here come that boy from the capital city. Last up on the grist, new ditty. But 8 bars of the truth will do. I believe there's a bride that's stunning, and I believe in the kingdom coming. I believe if you seek the truth, you don't need to look far, cause it's gonna find you.
At the shooting range. At the shooting range. At the shooting range.
Oh yeah. I can't believe that I'm here again.
My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, hard feelings I need, more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do. Like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price you pay. Like living like a fingertip. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, hard feelings I need, more like you. Try not to put your fire with the things I do. Like
Alright, we've finished at the shooting range, and I got pretty close. Yeah, it's more death than anything, but he's dead. And Josh got me in the eye and a lot in the left tit. Now I'm one in the crotch. So yeah, and we brought home our shells.